Dear students, welcome back to Microcontrollers and Embedded Systems. We are studying in second model, instructions or instruction set. ARM instruction set, I'll tell you, these are all the ARM instruction sets available. Data processing instructions, branch instructions, load and store instructions, software interrupt instructions, program SR instructions. Wherein data processing instructions, data processing instruction is used to manipulate a data within a register. For that, move instruction, yeah, wait, data movement purpose move instruction, move not MVN instructions, and arithmetic instruction, add instruction. Add instruction is used to add addition purpose. ADC, add with carry instruction. Subtract instruction, subtract with carry instruction. Difference between subtract and subtract carry is different because add and ADC is different. Add is used to add two numbers, where ADC's carry also will be added. Subtract with carry, carry also subtracted. RSB is entirely opposite of subtract, reverse subtract. RSC, subtract with carry, logical equations, and or XOR, bit clear. Then compare CMP, CMN, TST, TEQ, multiply MUL, MLA. All these instructions are very, very, very important instructions. You have to study that instructions. All instructions you should study. Whenever you get a time, study all the instructions. Second one, any instructions if you use yes, okay, then updates of the flag CPSR will be there. For example, instead of move, you write move S, or instead of add instruction is used to add two numbers. Add or subtract 10 minus 10, answer is 0. If you write SUBS, subtract, that time 0 flag is active, because answer is 0, flags will be active. That you have to remember. Next, if you observe this example, move instruction, condition RD, N. I am writing here move R7, R5. What is the value available in R5? That will go and sit in the place of R7. R5 5 is there. After executing this, move R7, R5 means R5 value will go and sit in the place of R7. R5 value 5 will go and sit in the place of R7. So after executing this time, R5 and R7 both values are 5. Remember that. Here you have to remember that move instruction is used to transfer one place to other place data. Next, so flags also get move S, if you add S, flags also get affected, carry flag, 0 flag, and all. Next, if you study, yeah, these all those things last class I had clearly explained you. I was explaining about add also, I explained these things. Yeah, this I had explained you, logical shift. Yeah, now please observe move R0 R0 LSL #1, R0 logical shift to 1 and store to R0. R0 is value is 2, he has given 1 0. If you logically shift left, okay, one bit left, if you shift, this one will come this side, 0 will come this side, LSB is filled with 0. So initial value was 2, after logical shift by 1 bit 4. So always remember, logical shift left is nothing but given value will be multiplied by 2. Logical shift 2 is given value will multiplied by 4. Okay, remember that things. This move, okay, logical shift right is divided by 2, because this right shift if you do, okay, this 4 will become 2, so divide by 2. This you remember. Okay, there are some important concepts we have to remember that things. Next, yeah, barrel shifter also used for that things. Okay, now wait. Like this, all the instructions we are going to study in data processing instructions, all the instructions you have to work. Then branch instruction B, branch from jumping from one place to another place, looping concepts. That B, BL, BX, BLX, that things you should study. Then load and store instruction. That's a very, very important concept. Load and store instruction. That is a very important concept that you have to read, study that things. Then software interrupt instructions we have to study and we have to read the things. Now, yeah, move also we studied, move s we studied. Yeah, if you observe this example, move r0 comma pi u will go and sit in the place of r0 register value will be pi u after executing this, so that this is a data value is a part of an instruction, move r0 comma pi, so it's called immediate addressing mode because directly value is stored in this instruction itself. So I call it as a immediate addressing mode. Next, add instructions. Add instructions R0, R1, comma R2. So R0 value is nothing but R1 plus R2. R1 value is pi u, R2 value is 3. So pi u plus 3 is calculated, 8. 8 is stored in R0. Then next is subtract. Subtract R0, R1, comma R2. So R0 value is R1 minus R2. R1 is pi u, R2 is 3. So pi minus 3 is calculated 2. So 2 is stored in R0. Next is RSB. RSB is reverse subtract. What we do in subtract, R0, subtract R0, comma R1, comma R2 means R0 equal to R1 minus R2 we are making. Where reverse subtract, entirely reverse of that one. So R0 is nothing but R2 minus R1 we have to do. R2 is pi u here, R1 is 3. So R2 minus R1, pi minus 3, 2 is calculated. Then move R7, comma R pi u. So here please carefully observe. Previous examples I have given move R0, comma some number. That number was going and storing R0. That's immediate addressing mode. But move R1, move R7, comma R pi. So here R pi what value is that will go and sit in the place of R7. R pi value is pi u, that will go and sit in the place of R7. So after executing this R7, R pi, both values are pi u 5 because R pi u 5 is that will go and sit in the place of R7. So data is available in a register. So this is called register addressing mode. Logical shift right. Right, we are shifting each bit. So at that time what happens, LSB is discarded, MSB is filled with 0 because each bit logically we are shifting one time. Then ASR next. ASR is arithmetic shift right. That is ASR is very important. That is what is the difference between logical shift right and ASR, arithmetic shift right. That ASR is signed shift. So here same one bit we are shifting right, first bit keep as it is. First bit or MSB is filled with previous MSB. First bit 1 here, keep as it is 1. Other all these things right shift. Next logical shift left. Left side we are shifting one bit. ASL also arithmetic shift left also same as logical shift left actually. LSB is logical shift left. Each bit I am shifting left one bit. So at that time what happens, LSB position 0 will be occupied, filled with 0, and MSB is discarded. Then next is this move R0, comma logical shift 1. I have told actually it is nothing but multiply by 2. 1 0 is if I shift logical shift left it will become 1 0 0. So 2 will become 4. Then next one move R0, comma logical shift right 1. 1 bit logical shift right. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. Remember that. And rotate. What is the difference between this ROR? ROR is simple. Logical shift, remember, don't get confused. Logical shift right is nothing but logically we are shifting one bit shifting right, and ASR is nothing but arithmetic shift right is nothing but a signed shift, where ROR is that LSB will occupy in the place of MSB. LSB is occupying in the place of MSB. Last digit will come back to first position. That is called rotate right. Then RRX, rotate right extended by 1 bit. Then answer destination, carry flag is also added. Next one, for this shifting and all, parallel shifter is required. So in the above examples, we showed parallel shifters. Parallel shifter is required for these things. Logical shift left, what happens? LSL we write. Logical shift right, LSR. Arithmetic shift right, ASR. Rotate right, we are writing ROR. If you observe this example, R5, R7 is 8. R5, R7 is 8. Given question is move R7, R5, logical shift 2. R5, what is the 5 is the logical shift 2 you making. Means 2 times you have to multiply. Pi into 2 into 2. That is a pi into 4. That is 20. Hexadecimal value of 20 is 14. 14 will go and sit in the place of R7. R7 value is 14. Hexadecimal value conversion will be done. Okay, wish you all the best, students. Study well.